Hey everybody, I want to do my final on the group build, or the Pro Street group build. Kind of got to do a little quick. I got a big storm coming through, but here it is. I did the 66 Nova Pro Street kit. It's box stock except for spark plug wires, but kind of wanted to try something different with the paint, like in the previous ones. So I went with the Testors one coat lacquer. That's what they all are. It's that purple, the metallic silver, and the lime green, I think it is. And so the roll cage and all that's lime green. And so I wanted to do a highlight line, so I put a highlight line in there. Turned out pretty cool. I like the kit, but there was some fitment issues on mine. It kind of like it was sitting around a little too much, and it kind of ended up getting some warpage. But I think now that it's finally done, I think I was able to get the warps out of the gluing and that, but it kind of fought me a little bit. It's a cool kit. You got a little smudge there. Thought I had it all. I use that wet look clear. That's part of the Testors line. Give it a nice glossy look. That stuff does kind of cut and buff if you do have some dirt in your paint and stuff like that. It buffs pretty good. So I end up doing it in that. So there's the outside look. I do like the grill in this kit, even though it's not a see-through grill or anything like that. It looks realistic when you put some black wash in it. I did the interior black and silver. You can see that in other build or other videos of this. Got a little thunder in the background because yeah, we are getting a hell of a storm right now. The wheelie bars I did in the accent green color, liven it up, and the chassis frame is also in that green as well. So if I zoom in on the engine, went with green spark plug wires to kind of accent that. The black is the body color. Give it a nice custom look. And there is the bottom. So give it some nice accents with the red and the accent color. The drive shaft was a little short, so I had to put a little bit of a brass tube in there and make it work on that. The only thing I really didn't like about the kit was the front wheel hubs and stuff. They didn't really line up very good. So there it is with the hood. It is quite a snug fit. The air filters on that and the hood want to sit really tight, but it kind of makes it nice because then it don't just fall off. But it sits pretty nice. I did use epoxy to glue the front end down of the body, and I got to fix this a little bit better. I clamped that down and I left a little bit of mark. I was able to buff it out, but doing that, it took a little bit of the purple color out, and I still have some polish in there yet. Take that out. I used that Novus 2, so that's a little bit of Novus 2 in there. I'm trying to buff that out. But also did the little engine stand. I didn't put the heads on it. I kind of like it better where you can just see the block. I did little details. I kind of painted the bolt silver and the brackets black like they really are. But I seem like I'm on a Nova kick. This is the third Nova kit I've worked on. Still got the Nova wagon It's still in the same phase. Gotta get back on that. I gotta do some work on the front end of that. But then it's a little dusty. But then I have my Nova gasser. A couple years difference. But like I said, I'm kind of on a Nova kick, it seems like. They sure do work good together. Gotta love them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. But that is my final on my Pro Street group build. Hosted by Dylan and New York Modeling. So, another one for the shelf, the cabinet. Have a good one, guys. And if you're in this bad weather, hopefully you come unscathed. See ya.